Hello, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about a really interesting topic, and I will show you a little trick how to use in a correct way accusative and dative case in German, because in my opinion a lot of students struggle to distinguish accusative and dative. And please remember that I have a German course for beginners, and the link you will find over here in the corner or in the description of the video. It's free, it's here on YouTube, so feel free to check this out. But now let's give you some explanations how to use accusative and dative case in German. And here we have, in German we call it accusative and dative. And in my course I use two different colors. I use for accusative the blue color, and for dative I use this orange color. So what's mainly the difference between accusative and dative? Accusative, it's the direct object. So in my opinion the better definition would be it is part of the action of the verb. Okay, so it's Teil der Aktion des Verbes. And dative would be the indirect object. In my opinion, a better definition would be it has a benefit or damage of the action. So it hat Nutzen oder Schaden der Aktion. Okay, so now let's apply this idea to some examples that you really see what I mean. Okay, so here we have two options. We could say ich sehe dich or ich sehe dir. And my question to you is, what is here correct? Ich sehe dich oder ich sehe dir? Do you have an answer? Okay. The answer is ich sehe dich. And it's ich sehe dich because I see you. No? It means when I see you, you are part of the action of the verb, because if you don't exist I cannot see you. Okay, and therefore it's the direct object and it's part of the action, so we have to use accusative. There's no benefit, no, when I see you. No, you don't have a benefits if I see you. Okay, so therefore we use accusative. Okay, now let's see our next example. Ich helfe dich or ich helfe dir. No, I help you. Okay, what do you think here? Yeah, ich helfe dir. Why it's dir? Because I help you. You are not part actually of the action, so it's not accusative, because I help you with something, but it's not that I need you to help. Okay, so it's more that you have a benefit of my action. So ich helfe dir, and therefore we would use dative. Okay, so I think you get a little bit the idea here. Okay, but now let's do another example. What is correct? Ich gebe dich etwas, ich gebe dir etwas. No, I give you something. Okay, what do you think here? Ich gebe dir etwas. No, it's again because no, I give you something. No, and you have a benefit of the action. No, because you receive something. No, and it's not that I give you. No, it's dative here. Okay. So, another example. Ich frage dich etwas, ich frage dir etwas. No, I ask you something. That's quite interesting. Okay, what do you think? It's actually ich frage dich etwas. My explanation is here because you don't have any benefit if I ask you something. Because you don't receive anything. It's just, I have a question. Okay? And you are part because I ask you. No, when you're not here I cannot ask anybody. No, so I ask you. So therefore we use accusative. Ich frage dich etwas. So remember, fragen will use accusative. Ich frage dich. And here ich antworte dich or ich antworte dir. I answer you. Good question, no? Here the solution is ich antworte dir. So why it's now dir? Yes, because if I answer you, no, you receive something from me, my answer, no? So you have a benefit of my answer. in the other case of a question, you don't have a benefit of a question, but of an answer you have a benefit because you receive information. So therefore we would use ich antworte dir. Ich rufe dich an oder ich rufe dir an. I call you. Okay, what do you think? It's ich rufe dich an, no? Because if I call you, I need you to call, okay? If you are not there, I cannot call anybody, okay? So it's accusative, it's part of the action, okay? Ich rufe dich an, okay? You could discuss, you could say, yeah, but you have a benefit. No, it's not a benefit. It's just about to call somebody, no? Therefore, it's accusative. Ich rufe dich an. Ich sage dich etwas or ich sage dir etwas, no? I tell you something. What do you think? Is there a benefit or no? Yes, actually there is a benefit because I tell you something. No, you have a benefit of my information because you receive information. So therefore we would use ich sage dir. Okay, ich sage dir etwas. Okay, one more example. Ich kaufe dich etwas, ich kaufe dir etwas. Quite easy. No, it's again, no, I buy you something, you have a benefit because I just buy you something, you receive something. Okay, so ich kaufe dir etwas. But here it's quite interesting because we could say also ich kaufe dich. And the meaning is here I buy you. So no, obviously we don't do this anymore in those days, no, but I buy you, so I would buy you, okay? And so in this moment you would be part of the action. So it could be that the sense of the sentence will change if we would use accusative or dative. This is an example where you have to be a little careful, no? Even, you can say ich kaufe dich if you buy the person, or ich kaufe dir etwas if you buy something for the person, okay? So yeah, so please remember, no, here we have the two best example. Ich frage dich etwas. Here I ask you, so you need to be around to ask you, so it's part of the action. Und ich sage dir etwas, it's because you receive actually information, no? So you have a benefit. Okay, so just remember, ich frage dich, but ich frage dir. Yeah, that's my little trick to really distinguish the accusative and dative case. Please remember, if we have prepositions, this whole idea don't apply, but if you don't have prepositions, this is the trick you have to use. So please leave in the comment maybe something you struggle with, you know, maybe with accusative and dative case, or maybe with something else, and I can make another video about this topic. Please give a thumb up to my video so other people can find my video as well. Subscribe to my channel so the next video will be quite interesting for you as well, I guess, or I hope. And yeah, remember that I have a German course for beginners. You will find the link over here in the corner or in the description of this video. That's everything for today. Vielen Dank und bis bald.